Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Look what time of the month it is. I've got a Happy Mail from the Stamps of Life. It's my card kit club for the month. For whatever reason, which I still need to look into, I have not received my Die Hard club set yet. So I'm not sure. I did email, but they told me that it could take up to 30 days to just wait. But like I got my club shipment, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. So I don't have the stamps and dies that go with this like I usually do. But I'm gonna share it with you anyway. So I'm gonna take everything out. So you know, everything comes with the, not everything, but each month we get an inspiration card. And it lets you know the products that they use to make these. We also have been getting these like guides. I don't know what they are. Oh, but look, it's Stephanie and her family and her doggy. Oh, and the twins. Wow, she got the twins in there. But just information, probably inspiration as well. So that each month you get the envelopes for the A2 size note cards. You always get this handy dandy file that everything can be contained in. I got 2 rolls of ribbon, a sheer ribbon, and then a grosgrain. Every month, almost for this whole year, we've been receiving free dies if you were a Gold Club member. I've been getting very good dies, and it looks like I got more very good dies. I think this is Happy Birthday, and it's the cutout as well, and then some page flags and rectangles, I guess. But yeah, so awesome. These were free. Thank you so much. These are from Ken. Stephanie has her own that she throws in. So thank you so much. Oh yeah, see, in fact, here it is. Hug Stephanie. This is our free die from Stephanie. Oh, how cute. Look. It's a tag, and it has the cut out, and it's got the dotted frame around the heart. Thank you. And then we also got these heart chipboard pieces. We got these felted flowers with the pearl centers. We got a word die that says, oh yeah, it says with love. It also has the shadow to it. So if you stay till the end, I'll cut these dies out so you can see what they look like. We also get the stamp sentiments with the club kit. And it just says, hello, hugs, love you, kisses, thanks, and with all my heart, a happy heart makes the face cheerful. Proverbs 15:13. And then this stitch maybe heart. So that's the stamp set. We also get a paper pad, double-sided paper that coordinates with everything that you receive in this kit. That's the paper. We also got another die. It's an arrow die, and it also has the shadow to it. We received these sparkly gemmies. How cute are these? So my camera is not doing it justice. Like, this green is prettier in person for sure. Actually, all of the colors are prettier. It's kind of helping getting farther away. It's the light washing out the color. But anyway, these are them. And then you also get an assortment of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. Almost premium, I want to say. That coordinates with everything you received as well. So let's see here. You get the white powdered sugar, probably cranberry. I'm not good at this. But anyway, these is what I got in my kit. And you can see how everything matches. And the paper and the papers match as well. So there you go. So that's what I got in my kit. Stay tuned. I'll show you the samples from the dies. Okay, so I'm back. So these are the dies, right? These are all the dies that I just got in my club card kit from the Stamps of Life. And so this was the free one, Happy Birthday, and it has a shadow. This is how it cuts out. Oh, Happy Birthday and the shadow piece. So yeah, that's a good size. And then the other free die was these two rectangle shapes, and then these three like page page flags. So the two rectangle pieces cut out like this. Pretty self-explanatory. You could make a shaker card with it. And then these are the page flags that got cut out. And then Stephanie's free gift was this tag here, the heart tag, and that's how this cuts out, and then it leaves you with a heart for this negative space. And then the card sentiment is right here. It says with love. I'm not sure I'm not sure, but mine came apart. If that was supposed to happen. It's cool if anything, but the words came apart. The metal is really thin, so be careful if you don't want yours to come apart. I do have adhesive on the back of these words. The adhesive is from the Stamps of Life. And we're just gonna... Ooh, okay, don't stick to my finger too well. We're just gonna add that there. And I lost the piece for the eye. Okay, so that's how it cuts out the word with love and the shadow die. And then this was the arrow. This was the other one that came in the kit. It's the arrow itself and the shadow die. And I have adhesive on the back of this arrow that I'm just going to adhere. Sorry that it's blurry. That I'm just going to adhere to the shadow piece. But yeah, so these are the dies that came with the kit. So for more videos like these you can see here, please consider liking and subscribing and sharing the video with a crafty friend. Until my next video, shakas!